Hi everyone, time for a very short video here. I'm going to show you how to make a track in mono. So if you have a track here, you have some sound, and as you can see it's stereo out, so all of these sounds would be going to the stereo out, which is stereo signal. If you want this signal from this plugin here to be mono, you can just use a plugin. So you can go to utility, and this is the gain plugin, which comes with Logic. Then you can just put on mono here, and this would be in mono now. If you want all of your sound to be in mono, and let's say that you have some other plugins here, then you want to have the gain plugin as the last plugin in this plugin chain here. So let's say I have something else here. Let's say I have an OTT plugin. Then the sound could actually be in stereo if you have the gain plugin first, because this sound would be mono and this can be made back to stereo depending on what kind of plugin you have here. So if you want to be sure that all of these sounds here are in mono, you just move the gain plugin as the last plugin in this plugin chain here.